When no display screens printer HP150 a use compatible chip 118A. Computer pop-up not applicable C1-2411 error alert. Let's learn about the specific solutions together today. The reason is that there is no successful communication between the machine and the chip. That is, the machine did not detect the chip, resulting in an error. Let's look at the solution below. First, check the chip installation. You can see that there is a problem with the yellow chip position here. Now adjust it correctly. Second, check if there is any problem with the printer contact point and connection line. Third, try a new set of chips. Fourth, check is there any case that the toner cartridge does not rotate, because it may not be able to rotate after adding powder. Fifth, try another set of old toner cartridges that can be used before. Finally, we can also refer to the official technical manual. After the above method, generally can solve the not applicable C1-2411 error message. After we reinstall the chip and toner cartridge, restart the machine to check. The machine now is ready to work. Welcome to leave a message on the website. We will actively help you answer.